Hey bitches, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know who I am, my name is Darcy. I post videos every Thursday at 9 p.m. and this week's video is way different than anything I've ever fucking done before. I did a room tour a couple videos ago and I was doing decor stuff and I realized that I get a lot of really cheap candles and stuff like that. But I love candles so much that I wanted to try making my own. So I am going to be making my own candles today. I'm going to do some research, definitely for sure. And then I'm also going to call my mom because she is like the crafting master, all of that shit. That's her forte. So I'm gonna call her first actually. Okay, so I'm gonna run through the list of ingredients. So first we have the actual candle wax that we'll be using. And then we have the wicks so that you can light the candle, of course. And then there's essential oils so that it smells good, duh. And then is the candle jar, glass jars that you put the candle in. And finally, the last supply that you need is called a double boiler. And so basically, I'll throw up a picture of what it's supposed to look like up here so you guys can see. It's like weird contraption. Basically, you can put it inside a pot of boiling water. But that's the only item on my list that I don't have. And my mother said that it's possible that I could just use a small pot inside a bigger pot, and that will work and act as a double boiler. So we're gonna double confirm that with her and see if that's correct. So, Mom.
Oh, it's Darcy.
Hi, Darcy.
Oh,
Hey, Darcy.
hi, baby Lou.
What?
I need you to just confirm that I can use a small pot and put it inside a big pot, and that can act as a double boiler, right?
Yes. Okay. I'll talk to you later.
Okay,
Be
thank
careful.
you. I will. Thank you for your
Use
crafty
pot holders.
Of course.
Pot holders. Don't leave the stove unattended. Make sure you turn off.
Okay.
All of the above.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we're going to watch a YouTube video because important research.
So now that we've got our wax, our jar, our wicks, and our fragrance oils, we're going to jump right into it and show you how to do it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start out and place the wicks. I've got a glue gun. You're going to want to have one of these. We bought this at Michael's for about $5.
Need a glue gun. It's okay, I got a glue
Place
gun.
a little bit of the glue spot right on the bottom. And just center it right in the middle of the jar. Press down just a little bit so the glue kind of spreads out.
Alright, so first things first that I did not realize I had to do was place the wick in the candle. I thought I'd just like pop it in there and then pour the wax and it would kind of just do its own thing. So if we're gonna do this right, I'm gonna go get my glue gun. Now I'm gonna add that into the list of things that you need. Is you need a glue gun, and they're really cheap actually. You can get one for like $5 like you said. I'm gonna get my glue gun and I'm going to do that. I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Alright, we have the glue gun. Let's do this. Oh, hello there. And welcome back to Darcy's misadventures with following directions. I'm gonna put the glue, oh, my freaking thing is in the way. Gonna put the glue on the bottom of the wick, like you said. I think I got it. No, I didn't. No. What the fuck?
Now for the cotton wicks, we use a pen. I just took the end and the tip off of a pen, slide that through there. It'll be a little bit easier as far as placing those. Put another glue spot right on the bottom of those.
This is how you know there's a solution to fucking everything. Okay, this man says, this is what you do. This is what you fucking do. You literally take I just cut up a pen and you stick this part in there so that you can reach it. Doy. Oh no! No! Okay. I saved it. Then squish it in there. Squish, squish. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. I think that's gonna stay. I think that one's gonna stay. Alright.
Same, you're going to want to add approximately 1 ounce of fragrance to 1 pound of wax. And so if you're going to run 10%, you're going to want to do 1.6 ounces.
Look at this shit. He said a full ass pound of fucking candle wax, but a bitch is not about to put this whole thing in there. I'm going to cut my wax. Don't do this at home, folks. Probably wasn't the smartest idea. Maybe that's why you're not supposed to. Oh! Okay, so yeah. I'm just gonna do like that much. You think? Yeah. 2 to 3 inches of water. Here's my pot. I'm gonna put 2 to 3 inches of water in here to boil. Alright, y'all. The water is boiling. So I'm going to turn this down a little bit because we don't want to get to be too much. And I'm going to insert the wax here. I put it in my double boiler like mom suggested. And I'm just going to like place it over this so it's a little bit submerged in the water but not completely. Wow, the wax is already melting. I didn't want the smaller pot to touch the bottom, but I'm like holding it up here. But I needed the water level to be high enough to actually reach the smaller pot. So, you know, a dupe instead of buying a double boiler. Although I suggest that you actually buy a double boiler. I'll get back to you when the wax is completely melted. It has to be melted at between 180 and 185 degrees. And I have my little thermometer to check. I will come back to you guys when that is done. Wish me luck. Alright, y'all, so I have my wax that's completely melted and it's at 180 to 85 degrees. So we said to stir it. Actually already added in the essential oils off camera. I used this Olivia Care Pure Essential Oils. I used lavender, so I used this one to put in the candle. Yeah, we're just gonna let it cool down for a second. Okay, you guys, it's starting to change color, so I'm gonna start pouring it into the containers. I'm going to be using the small one because I think that should be enough there. Gently pour that into the container and fill that up. Okay, friends, my candle is pretty much finished, done cooling. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It is a little bit sunken in the middle. They said that would happen though, depending on how hot or cool the wax is when you pour it into the jar. So yeah, it's typical, totally fine. But now comes the fun part. So I'm actually going to clip this, the wick a little bit, so it's not so high up in the candle, but I wanted to decorate the candle a little bit. I was originally going to use like some twine or something. I realized I didn't have any fucking twine, so I'm going to actually use this as like a really bendable copper wire that you can get at like the craft store, Michael's or whatever, for super cheap, maybe like a $3 or $4. And so I'm just going to take some of this and wrap it around the top of the candle, so that it gives it like a cool accessory, I guess. I don't know. Ta-da! That's a little design, candle design for you. I didn't actually think that show was gonna work, and it was kind of hard, but it worked. It does. I can smell already the lavender in it, so that's really cool. Hopefully it'll make my whole house smell like lavender. That would be fucking awesome. That is the finished product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There were a lot of mishaps. Don't try this shit at home, kids. Or do, whatever. I'm not trying to run your life, so it's up to you. Let me know if you enjoy watching me DIY things, even if it's janky and I don't follow the instructions and sometimes it doesn't come out right. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel, of course, blah blah blah, you know the fucking drill. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you bitches later. Bye.